What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be lifting the 22 Tundra again. This time we're actually going to do a full suspension kit instead of just the Westcott design spacer lift. It has been pretty good with the amount of weight that we have, but since we put the front CBI bumper on it, it did sag a little bit. And instead of trying to get a bigger collar for the Westcott kit, we're gonna upgrade it to a real kit. So this is the kit here. You guys know this blue, you guys know what this is. This is the King Shocks 2.5 inch remote reservoir. I really like the black finned external reservoir right there. And then we are also doing the Total Chaos rear links just so we can get more travel out of the rear because this thing lacks a lot of travel. So we're going to be doing that, and then replacing the upper ball joints or upper control arms as well with the uniballs. So we'll be doing that as well. So let's go ahead and get started.
I'm excited for you.
Are you ready?
I'm excited for you.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
I don't know why they're not in there already.
You ready?
Mitch is ready.
You ready? We all ready. We are ready for
Everyone
the Kings.
except for you, because
Gabe likes Fox. I like Fox, but I also like Kings. So
I like Fox. I don't love Fox.
yeah. So yeah, we're pretty excited for these
Love me some blue.
to get in here. Pretty cool. But for those who haven't seen this yet, this is a little nice detailed look over the entire thing here. We don't know what to set the preload at yet to get a 3-inch lift that we're trying to get, but we'll find out. There's a little bump on the inside there. Very nice resi. And of course, super beefy. Total Chaos links, upper links, lower links, all that stuff. These are brackets for the resis. All right, so we got the Tundra front done. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. We are currently getting ready to align it, and obviously we didn't do the rear yet. So currently, as of right now, I don't think there is anybody who is offering a rear coil to lift the rear end of the 22 Tundra just yet. At least there's none that is marketed for the 22 Tundra. People have lifted the rear with coils from like a Land Cruiser or something like that, and that's pretty much what we're gonna try. So we have rear coils coming tomorrow from Dobinson's that we're gonna try on this, and hopefully get a little more lift out of the rear with that. So that'll be the other part of this video, so make sure you guys check that part out. Today we're just going to show you guys the front, and make sure you guys come back for the rest. So here's currently how the truck sits. Currently we are back to a 3-inch lift in the front, and the rear is a little bit lower. I think we're not quite leveled, but it's not horrible. We're not squatting too bad in the rear. So hopefully when we get those Dobinson's rear coils in, I really want like 2 inches of rake. So that way when we put gear in the back, it comes down to 1 inch, and we'll still have a little bit of rake. So, and we are planning for a rear bumper as well. So that coil should accommodate for it. So we'll see. But we're getting ready to align it here in our shop. We have the Kings in here. Let's bump up brightness. You see the nice blue, and then the Total Chaos upper control arms. And then the reservoir is hidden back there. A little unfortunate because you don't see it, but very nice right there. And then we haven't done anything in the rear, including the links and track bar and all that stuff from Total Chaos. So you guys will have to come back for that part of it. So, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So we're going to align it, that way we can drive it, see how the Kings ride with the front. No rear Kings in the back yet, but we'll see. We'll let you guys know tomorrow. All right, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys tag along tomorrow or whenever we're going to post the next video on the 22 Tundra with the rear end all installed. So we're pretty excited to see how this thing drives. And if you guys want, we're going to have this kit on our website at runninfortacos.com if you guys want to pick up the set for your 22 Tundra. And we'll probably do a little video with our first thought on how the Kings ride once everything is installed, of course. So be sure to watch that video when we release it. So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.